This is the Zenit-E. It's a Russian camera. It's a really old camera that was made in 1970 to 80, I guess. And the lens is pretty awesome. It's the Helios 58mm lens, which was also made in the 1970 to 1980, somewhere between that. So the thing is, we don't have the reel, and we are just using the viewfinder to take some pictures from our phone. Yeah, this is a pretty great camera. So we're going to use the smartphone to look into the viewfinder of the Zenit-E, because that's the only option that we got, because we don't have an adapter to use this lens on my camera. So yeah, we'll show you some samples.
इस कैमरा आप यहाँ से इसको लिफ्ट करके ये पैनल खोलते हो, and when you see here the reel goes here, you fix it here, extend it till here. यहाँ पे आप इसे रोल करते हो. इस कैमरा का लेंस बस आप इसे पकड़ कर यहाँ पे just rotate it to the left and the lens is out.